You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words in American English, in US English. How do the Americans say it? We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary as well in English. Stay tuned. So there are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it over there in the USA. Vehicle, V-A-co, so no H sound here. V-A, a schwa sound, vehicle, vehicle, okay? That's pretty easy, that one. Quite like this one personally, but anyhow, that's not the problem or the issue here. The second way is vehicle, vehicle, okay? Vehicle, vehicle. With an H sound here and more of an I sound rather than an A sound in the middle. Vehicle, vehicle, okay, vehicle or vehicle. I think vehicle is more common, right? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments which one do you like to use. Let us know as well, let everybody know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.